Hi Tony, it's Rick from Orlando. Doing things like I often do, kind of at the last minute to get this in for my free t-shirt. Sure do appreciate that. I've been involved with painting and auto body work for well over 40 years. Learned at a friend of mine's father's used car lot. Thought I knew it all, but I'm so glad I joined the VIP of LABAP that you've really helped me refine my product incredibly well. I'm able to get a much more consistent, clear, smooth coat. It's, I think, a product of you using or letting us know about the exact grits to use, the materials, and a lot of tips and tricks. I know I have to get a picture of me in front of some of my work. I'll do that soon, but I just wanted to get this in tonight before the deadline to get my t-shirt. Anyway, I want to thank you again. I thought I knew it all. You've really refined my abilities, and LABAP rocks, man. Take care.